In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete delivered order history on Temu. If you've had orders delivered on Temu and want to clean up what you see, there are a few approaches, each with different levels of permanence. I'll walk you through how to hide orders from your main view, how to request data removal for privacy, and if you need a clean slate, how to delete your entire account. First, let's tidy up your order list. Open the Temu app on your phone, tap You, sometimes labeled as Profile, then open your orders. Find the delivered order you want to clean up, tap the three dots next to that order, and choose Archive. On some versions, you might see Hide instead. This is perfect if you just want a decluttered order page for easier browsing. Keep in mind, this only removes the order from your main view. The order still exists in your account's records and on Temu's servers, so think of it as a visual cleanup rather than a true deletion. If your goal is to remove order details for privacy reasons, use Temu's privacy tools. Head to Account Settings or the Privacy section within the app. Look for options like Download Your Data or Request Deletion. Submit the request and follow the on-screen instructions. Depending on your location, this is processed under regional privacy laws, and you may be asked to verify your identity. Note that even with a privacy request, Temu may retain certain records for legal, tax, fraud prevention, or warranty obligations, potentially for several years. This is common with e-commerce platforms and is usually limited to what the law requires. For the most comprehensive removal, you can delete your entire Temu account. Open the Temu app, go to You, then Settings. Tap Account Management, select Delete Account, and confirm with your password. This is permanent and removes your order history from your account, along with associated data like saved addresses, payment methods, messages, and your wish list. After deletion, your orders will no longer appear in your account, and Temu indicates that personal data is deleted, though anonymized logs may be retained for operational reasons. Before taking this step, consider any warranties, returns, or pending refunds, and download any documentation you might need for your records. To recap, use Archive or Hide for quick cleanup, submit a privacy request if you want Temu to remove data where possible, and choose